To my channel Basha Second Innings. Today I will be preparing root. It is a type of biscuit using all these ingredients. This is the wheat flour, 1 cup, dry coconut powder, almonds and cashews. This is the jaggery, pure ghee from Rasipuram. This is the rava and this is the charoli or sari parup in Tamil. This is salt and this is cardamom powder. All these are all the ingredients we need to prepare this root. This is very famous in Ahmednagar and Aurangabad in Maharashtra. People like to eat and most of the people they make it in the house only, and it is also available in the bakeries. Now let us see what we should do. First, we have already heated up this. We have to just roast it or heat it up, that's all. There is no need to make it brown. Maybe about a minute or so. So this is heated up, this is sufficient, just a minute just to remove the moisture, that's all. And this can be taken in a bigger next you take this wheat flour, now you add almonds, badam, and just fry them in low flame. For about 2 minutes, that is sufficient. a bowl. So all the frying part of the dry fruits is over now. We will use this as it is, and this is the powdered dry coconut that is also be used like that only. So ingredient, that is the khaskhas, which kasakasa, which I have forgotten to tell. This khaskhas, just put it in the hot pan and then dry this one. Grind this almonds and cashew nut to slightly, not powder, but it is slightly thicker than that. Let's add the ground dry fruit to this rava and wheat atta mixer. This is the ground dry coconut. Let us add and this is the khaskhas, half of it we will add, half we will keep. Then this is the cardamom powder, this also we will add. First we will mix all this. Then you add pure ghee. Add a pinch of salt. So this will give more sweetness to this root. Mix it very well. This dough is completely mixed now with dry fruits, suji and wheat flour. We will allow it to settle for about 2 to 3 hours. At least minimum 3 hours. After 3 hours, we will prepare the root. Now we prepared 3 hours before. It will become like this, soft. Just make it flat. And you can spread this khaskhas, dry fruits and a cashew nut in between. Just press this. Add some ghee. Keep this on sim and just leave it for about 5 minutes in sim. ये वो 5 मिनट रहने दो. Completed. Let me just show you. Slowly turn this. You can see that brown color. So we will allow another 3-4 minutes so that it is cooked fully. So 3 minutes is over. We'll just take it and keep it on this plate like this. Prepare all the roads. So let us go and taste the root. Root is ready. Let me break it and show you. This is now cooked. I will taste it. Very good taste. Ultimate. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Also give your valuable comments. Thank you very much. We will be coming again with one more interesting video.